if the network was not in place, we would need to use 2 GPS receivers, a UHF radio, and more equipment. By having the network, we can use those same resources and use 2 crews to survey with the same amount of equipment. So there's a cost savings with equipment that we have to buy. If we bring on another survey crew, we don't have to buy as much equipment. We do still have to pay another subscription, but it's significantly less than another pair of receivers. I don't know exactly, but I believe GPS receivers are around $25,000 plus or minus. So that if we're using the network, that eliminates one of those receivers. And then also it's a time savings. If we use the network, we go to our site, fire up our GPS rover and start working, check into a known control point, and we're off and running. If we don't have that, we need to set up a base on a tripod with a radio. It's probably about 15 minutes to set up and probably 10 minutes to tear down every day. So it saves us, probably 30 minutes a day to have. And over multiple days of a year, multiple crews, that's a significant cost savings for us and for the client. So once again, we have that subscription, but we feel it still is a lot more efficient to have subscriptions. And then just knowing that other industries can use it as well, we're definitely an advocate for it.